Hola mis amores, bienvenidos a La Comida de Jeremie. Today on the channel I'm teaching you guys how to make a beautiful Puerto Rican dessert called Budin de pan. So it is Vlogmas Day 14, and since we are getting very close to Christmas, it's actually 1 week away from Christmas Eve, which is freaking crazy. It just blows my mind. I thought I would share with you guys a delicious Puerto Rican vegan dessert that is just so great for the holiday season. No matter if you celebrate Kwanzaa, Christmas, Hanukkah, or whatever holiday you celebrate, it's just the perfect winter vegan dessert to make for your family, and it honestly tastes exactly the same. You just have to make some substitutions and it tastes pretty much the same, just like your grandmother's. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe video, and I hope you guys enjoy this because I just know that it's just so good. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so as always, all the ingredients will be listed down below for the link on my website. Be sure to check that out. So in a large mixing bowl, we're going to add in all of our bread. I find that white sliced bread works best. Then we're going to get our wet ingredients mixed with our vegan egg. So that is the butter, our milks, so condensed milk, evaporated milk, and you can also substitute some almond milk if it is too dry for you. So you can go ahead and mix that all together until everything is perfectly blended. Then we're going to mix this with the bread and allow the bread to soak all of that liquid up. Once it's softened up, we can go ahead and mash it up to a very, very smooth mixture. Then to this, we're going to add in all of our flavor enhancers, so that's our cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, and vanilla. So once all of this is combined, you can add your final ingredient, which is your raisins, and set this aside. I actually created a caramel topping for this in a pan, and once I added the breading and cooked it in the oven, it actually did not turn out so well. It broke apart when I flipped it over. So I went ahead and remade this, but it's basically the same steps. And once it's done in the oven, you want to make sure you stick a knife in the middle to make sure that it's cooked all the way through and it slides out nice and evenly. And you're going to go ahead and set this in the fridge to cool completely before eating it. This dessert is best served cold or warm, but you want to make sure that it sets completely before warming it up again. And this is very good with coffee, for breakfast, or for a nice dessert topped with whipped cream. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you guys hit the next video, which is actually coquito, and it perfectly pairs with bread pudding. So it is basically a coconut rum drink from Puerto Rico that I veganized for you guys. So be sure to check that out because it goes perfect for Christmas with Budin de pan. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Make sure you tell your friends and your family to come on and join the familia. Be sure to check out my Instagram at lacomidadejeremie and my website lacomidadejeremie.com. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.